I feel honored to have this opportunity to compose a song for Malaysia and about Malaysia. Reflecting on Malaysia's rich cultural heritage, I incorporated into the music traditional instruments such as tabla, erhu, bamboo flute to tell the story of Malaysia to the world.
The Visit Malaysia 2020 campaign is an important endeavor to promote Malaysia, and this song ties our promotional efforts and branding of Malaysia very well. As we continue our promotional works overseas, this song will be a key element to push the campaign forward and engaging with our audiences in a memorable way.
Malaysia is a nation rich in cultural, religious, and racial diversity. We have so much to offer to our visitors. A country with multiple ethnic representation, we offer you a variety in offerings in terms of food, culture, language, arts, heritage, history, and music. Encapsulating this uniqueness of Malaysia to the world, this song encompasses all the richness that Malaysia has to offer. This song is all about inviting you to experience Malaysia truly Asia.
If you listen carefully, there is a deep message in this song. It is a warm invitation for tourists to visit our country. It is also paints a picture of Malaysia as a beautiful, peaceful, and happy place. The Rakyat have built Malaysia together to become what it is today, and we must preserve this peace and prosperity for future years. Our beloved Prime Minister, Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, has urged everyone and all Malaysians to make Visit Malaysia 2020 a national mission. Let us take this responsibility to heart and ensure its success. As such, it is with my great pleasure that I officially launch the Visit Malaysia 2020 campaign song, Visit Truly Asia, Malaysia.